Hello everyone, welcome back to me and to you. This is Davis Art Club and I am Zero. Like guys, it has been so long since I last uploaded anything in this channel. If I remember, I think it has been more than like 4-5 months already since I last uploaded anything, like I created any video for YouTube. I have been quite busy for these past few months with work, and I was not able to create or separate any time for personal work or to make any new video for YouTube. And I have been wanting to make for a while, and finally I managed to do it. I managed to separate a little bit of time, even if it was just 1 or 2 hours a day, or sometimes I was not able to do anything for like weeks or months. And I'm happy finally I managed to finish this one video and upload it. I hope you guys will enjoy it. It has been so long, so I kind of felt a little bit weird, a little bit uncomfortable to even start this project at first, because I took such a huge gap for like 4-5 months since I created anything or uploaded anything in this channel. So I felt a little bit weird. I had like doubts if I could do it because of the gap in time, but I managed to do it and even finish this. But yeah, it was actually a little bit difficult. I didn't thought it will take so much mental effort to just create like a YouTube video after such a huge gap, like 4-5 months of gap. But yeah, it was actually a little bit difficult. I would say uncomfortable. I don't know how to put the words in, but yeah, I had a lot of doubts within me for some weird reason. Yeah, but I actually managed to finish it. And for this time, for this video, I wanted to do something different. Usually what I do is, before creating a creature, I usually plan it, right? I plan the theme or the concept, what type of creature I would want to make. It will be humanoid or more of an animalistic type. If you guys have watched some of my older videos, you will be able to tell that I usually create like some basic iteration sometimes, or kind of like plan it out before I start creating any kind of design or any kind of concept. But for this video, I actually wanted to try something new. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, No Direction, right? I decided on the name like a few days or a few weeks, like a week ago, before I started working on this project. As the title, No Direction, for this project I wanted to create something without any proper planning or prior visualization or anything in general, right? Just like the title says, without any direction, no direction. I wanted to be able to test myself, right? If I could create something without planning anything, or if I could create a concept or a new design without even thinking about it at first. Usually we gather references, usually we create very small, very rough iterations, very simple blockouts to kind of like create the shape and silhouette of our designs, to finalize it, to finalize the concept, or to finalize the art piece that we are going to create. But for this one, I wanted to go a different direction, or should I say the opposite direction of having no reference, no planning, like literally no idea. You guys can see while watching this video, I'm literally everywhere. Like I have no idea what I'm trying to make, trying to create. I'm just going with the flow right now. And I think it is also a great opportunity to test myself, to test how far my imagination can go, to test and to see if I could create something that even I never had visualized it, right? Usually I create plans and I usually visualize it, like what type of shape I would want, what type of design I would love to create but this one was definitely different, and it was also a little bit unusual compared to what I would usually do. So it took me actually a little bit of time to get used to it while working on this project. There were a few times I even thought of like, is this even a good idea? Should I even be doing this in the first place, right? But I kept pushing myself and actually managed to create something. So I think this time for this project I played a little bit safe. I had a huge gap since I last made anything, and I also took a different route for making this design. So I definitely played a little bit safe, and the concept I came up with at the end is also quite simple. It's nothing fancy, it's nothing special, it is simple, I would say. But next time if I do something like this again, I will definitely try to force myself more and to create something better and a lot more different maybe than what I usually create, or maybe a lot more scary and creepy vibe. I would definitely love to try it again. I enjoyed it. At first I had few doubts while working on this project, but later on I was actually kind of having fun, trying different stuff, not having any restriction within myself, not having any restriction for the designs, just creating and adding stuff as you feel like it. So it was fun. Maybe you guys should also try it, when you are free, when you have some time to spare, and maybe you want to do something different with your art project. I think it is definitely a good challenge. And I guess that's it for today. I don't really have much to talk about, much to share about. I haven't really done anything different in my life, just been really busy with work, like really busy. So I want to be able to separate more time to focus on personal work and to focus on creating more concepts and to upload more videos on YouTube. But let's see what happens. You never know what happens in life. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys are doing well in life. I hope you guys are eating good, taking breaks when necessary. I hope you are taking care of your health, exercising, just stretching, because most of the time we are just sitting in our desks and just drawing our life away or working our life away. A little bit of something different is definitely necessary. Just stretch a little bit here and there, do some simple easy home workout to just keep your body moving, to keep our body and mind healthy, so that we can create some more unique and cool stuff in the future to share with each other. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will try my best to upload more videos. But yeah, let's see. I will have to see how open my schedule is after this month, And yep, have a good day everyone. That's it for today.